Hello and welcome back. Today I will be teaching you about arrays in C++. Arrays can store multiple values of the same data type. To declare an array, we simply type the data type we want the array to be, and then we type the array name. Then in square brackets we can type the size of the array, although we can declare it without that as well. After that we can assign values to that array in curly brackets. For example, in this array the data type is an integer, the name of the array is ARR, and the size of the array is 5. And as you can see in the curly brackets, the data of the array is 1 2 3 4 5 separated by commas. This is an example of the length of the array as written, and this is the example of an array without the length written. This array will automatically know what its size is because of the amount of content we have declared in it. Within the arrays there are two key informations. The first one is the index and the second is the data. The latter one, the data, is the one you declare or assign in the array. The first one, however, is different. The index tells us the position of the data in the array. The array always starts with the index of 0 for the first data in the array. Just like in the example above, coding has an index of 0. If we want to get a specific element from the array, then we can type it as this. This code will output only coding, but if we want to output the whole array, then we have to use loops, which I will discuss in my next video. But if you want to also output the whole array, we can also type it like this.